ingredients for success are there. The timing for this company is perfect.
We have the opportunity to help people from a physical perspective, but we also can offer real hope from a financial perspective.
I've seen people who are having financial problems blossom over the last 2.5 years and change their lives. That just feels good.
I know for a fact if you'll take this product, you're going to see results.
The product sells itself.
I think that anyone taking a look at this could seriously have a life-changing experience.
We've all done it. At one time or another, we've all looked at some of the biggest companies on the planet and wished we could go back in time. Wished we could have become a part of that company as it changed the world. It would be the opportunity to change our lives, to pursue financial freedom, to provide a better life for ourselves and our families. But what if that opportunity presented itself to you right now? For many years, experts have studied the most successful companies in history and have identified 5 factors of their success. The combination of these factors translates to a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. And it's easy to see because this kind of opportunity will attract some of the best and most successful business people in the world. This is the story of Max International. Success doesn't happen by chance, and successful companies don't spring up by accident. They're built from the ground up. If you want to accurately judge how strong a company is, you start by looking at the people who founded it. Stephen K. Scott has personally developed and marketed multiple products, including the famous Total Gym, that have achieved sales in excess of $1 billion. Steve is an international best-selling author, co-authoring multiple million-copy bestsellers.
I was introduced to what ultimately became the biggest breakthrough I had ever found in my lifetime. In fact, I saw such amazing things happen that I felt it needed my full-time focus. So I retired from the very company I had started 32 years ago and made Max International my full-time focus.
One of the original founders of Franklin Quest, Greg Fullerton, helped take Franklin Covey from just an idea to an international phenomenon that has trained Fortune 500 company executives worldwide.
Max is really about a couple of things. I think money comes maybe third. Health is number one. I mean, quality of life. Obviously, that is very important. Number two, I believe personal development is very important. I think if you don't do that, you won't be able to achieve the things you need to achieve. And then comes the money.
We were a company that had a product before we had a company. And network marketing was just the best way to get the word out in an educated and very powerful format to the masses, not only in this country, but throughout the world.
It's an opportunity for people to be part of something bigger than themselves. It's an opportunity for them to make money and grow individually, and this product needs to be told with a story. I can't think of any better way to tell the story than in network marketing. I'm proud to be part of this industry.
A company can be judged by the kind of people it attracts. And at Max International, we've assembled a team of the finest corporate leaders from some of the biggest, most successful companies in North America. These are leaders with phenomenal, proven track records. They're people who had the opportunity to do whatever they wanted, and all of them chose to align themselves with Max International. The former president of WebLogic, Peter Nordberg, has made a career out of raising companies to the billion-dollar level. Nordberg took WebLogic from startup through acquisition with a market cap valuation of $3.2 billion 24 months post the acquisition.
I came to Max for a variety of different reasons. Predominantly, though, one is I had my own personal experience with the product. The second is, as I went through and did my due diligence, I found that there was an absolutely unique and novel opportunity to build something that not only in terms of growing and building an organization and scaling it out, but actually making differences in people's lives. And fundamentally, I didn't find that anywhere else.
During his 14 years as a senior executive for Franklin Covey, Mike Larkins helped Franklin Covey grow from $1 million a year in sales to well over $500 million in sales.
I think Max is about global wellness, We have an intent to help people with their income, with products that impact health, and with personal growth and personal development.
A Harvard-trained attorney, for 16 years, Joe Wojcicki practiced in New York City with some of the largest legal firms in the world.
Max International offered a very, very unique opportunity. It's global in reach, its products are protected by patents, and they had a management team that is absolutely outstanding. And with that management team in place, with the tremendous products, I knew and I know that we will take this company global.
The founders and corporate leaders of Max International are in the business of success, of exploding company growth. And with Max International, they've recognized network marketing to be the single best and most effective way to bring products to the marketplace with maximum levels of success.